Once again, I welcome to my channel RM Classroom. So yesterday I have uploaded the question related to the structure analysis, and the question was a two-hinge parabolic arch of span 100 meter and rise 20 meter carries a central concentrated load of 100 kN. The moment of inertia of any section is IC sec theta, where theta is the slope at the section and IC is the moment of inertia at the ground. The horizontal reaction adds support by the strain energy method, and we have to neglect the effect of rim shortening. Is your options are 31.25 kilonewton, 50 kilonewton, 63.23 kilonewton, and 97.66 kilonewton. So for a two-hinge parabolic arch, let us assume this is our two-hinge parabolic arch. Having a central concentrated load is 100 kilonewton and the span is 100 meter. This is 100 meter and central rise is 20 meter. So let us assume this point is A and this point is B. So vertical reaction acts at A is BA and here is BB. Similarly, the horizontal reaction at A is HA and here is HB. So as the load is symmetric, so we can write summation of Fy, that is equal to 0, and load is symmetric, so we can write Va is equal to Vb is equal to 50 kN. Similarly, summation of Fx is equal to 0, so we can write Ha is equal to Hb is equal to H. I have assumed, and this value of capital H we have to compute horizontal reaction at the support by strain energy method. So strain energy U can be written as this is the symmetric uh, about this. So let us assume this distance is x and this is y. So we can write strain energy is equal to 2 times 0 to L by 2 m square ds by 2a, where m is the moment. So moment at any section can be written as, so m can be written as at any section, so Va into x minus h into y. So we can write Va is 50, so 50 into x minus hy. So the strain energy can be written as, so according to Castigliano's first theorem, we can write del u by del h, that is equal to displacement at AB should be equal to 0. So del u by del h can be written as, so del u by del h can be written as 2 times, so 2 times integral of 0 to L by 2 twice m into del m by del h into ds divided by 2ei, and this value should be equal to 0. It should be equal to 0, so we can write 2 to cancel, so it is 2 times 0 to L by 2 m into del m by del h into ds divided by ei is equal to 0. If I put the value of moment, so we can write 2 times 0 to L by 2, moment is 50x minus hy, and del m by del h can be written as minus y into ds divided by EI is equal to 0. So we can write 2 times 0 to L by 2 minus 50xy into ds divided by EI, and it is if I split, so plus 2 times 0 to L by 2 hy square ds by EI, that is equal to 0. So 2 to cancel, so h here we can write 0 to L by 2 50xy into ds divided by EI, that is equal to 0 to L by 2 hy square ds divided by EI. So we can write h is equal to, so h can be written as h is 0 to L by 2 50xy ds, so 50xy into ds divided by EI divided by 0 to L by 2 uh, y square ds by EI, y square ds by EI. Here the moment of inertia at the ground is given, that is I is equal to IC sec theta. I is equal to IC sec theta. Let us say this is equation number 1. So I is equal to IC sec theta. We can write dy by dx is equal to tan theta, or we can write dx by ds, that is equal to cos theta, or we can write dy by ds is equal to sin theta. So ds can be written as, if I write ds, so ds can be written as ds is equal to, so ds is equal to dx into, ds can be written as ds is equal to dx sec theta. So ds is equal to dx into sec theta. If I replace the value of I with the IC sec theta, so we can write h is equal to, h is equal to 50xy, so 50xy into ds can be written as dx sec theta divided by e into IC sec theta, so e into IC sec theta divided by it can be written as 0 to L by 2, so 0 to L by 2, here of course the integration running from 0 to L by 2 y square ds can be written as, so y square ds can be written as dx sec theta divided by eic sec theta. So eic sec theta cancel, so we can write sec theta is also cancelled, so h can be written as 0 to L by 2 50xy dx sec theta, and this sec theta cancel, so we can write 50xy dx divided by 0 to L by 2 y square dx. Now y can be replaced by, so y can be replaced by, so y can be written as, we know that the expression of y central rise at any distance x, that is equal to 4h by L square x into L minus x. So y can be written as 4 into central rise is 20 meter. So 20 divided by 100 square x into 100 minus x. So we can write 20 by, sorry, it is 4 into 20, so it will be 80 divided by 100 square. So it is 8 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 into x into 100 minus 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 x square. So if I solve this value, so the value of y can be written as y is equal to 0.8 x minus 0.008 x square. So put the value of y in equation number 2. So from equation number 2, from equation 2, h can be written as integral of 0 to L by 2 means 50x into y. So 0.8x minus 0.008 x square into dx divided by 0 to 50 y square. So it is 0.8x minus 0.008 x square whole square into dx. So if I solve this value, so horizontal thrust can be computed as h is equal to 97.66 kilonewton. So if I match with the option, so it is 97.66. So D option is correct. So D option is correct.